I'm gonna, yep.
First impression.
Yep.
Nice. We're gonna play some modded repo. Hopefully we get the Minecraft map again.
Yeah.
Again.
I think it's pretty common for it to
Yeah.
level.
8? Because we've gotten it like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah. That's how many times we failed to record.
Yeah.
By we, I mean Eli.
Okay. Just shut your ass. It's not my fault. My stuff just can't keep up. It's not my fault. My stuff.
Yeah. Okay. We didn't get it first. That's too bad. That's okay. It was you. I just got an invite from one of my friends.
To what, Repo?
Yeah, to play repo. I swear to God, anytime anyone sees me on repo, I get at least one invite.
Dude, when I see you on repo like 2 in the morning, I'm just like, yeah, I'm not surprised.
Did you check on the side?
Yeah, he has a repo addiction. Like, actually, just a share. Whoa, God. Well.
Where are you, bro?
I found out what the enemy is.
What is it?
The rope.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the rope. We're just gonna hide. Sugary, sugary. Oh, you're dead. Damn. Whoa. This one's a bust. I need to revive him now. Yippee. What do I need to do? I wanted to just play, but now I gotta revive him. But if I bring you back to the truck, you get revived, right?
truck or extraction. So the rope just went over there, so yeah.
I was like, I might struggle to do this on my own a little bit. I'm not struggle, I just don't like doing it alone, because it's not as fun. I can do it alone. I've gotten to like 10 or so on my own. I just don't like to. Boring. I'd rather play with people who make it more fun and also can risk the entire plan. All in the same thing.
I'm kind of in a hurry because the rope was coming for my ass.
She's coming for your ass, bruh.
Alright, she's over near the truck right now, so we're good.
Okay. Eventually need to get over there, so she can't stay there for too damn long.
I couldn't hear a word.
It's a book.
What'd you say?
It's a book.
You have never touched one of those in your life. That's
A book?
insane.
I've played
Yeah.
plenty of books.
I know.
Yes, mangas count as books. I have plenty of manga. Almost too much. But that's not a problem for me. It's more a problem for my wallet.
This potion, as I see, is fire.
Fire? Oh, we're gonna light the building on fire? That would be fun. Making plans, blowing the building.
What'd you say?
Oh, cool. This thing. Please tell me he didn't die again. I think he might have died again. Shit.
Man, I'm dead.
Oh, I thought you were dead.
I found some green cups. You missed this.
Oh, uranium? I
Yeah.
love uranium. Well, we have enough now.
I love Uranus.
But
I mean uranium.
be careful.
Yeah. But the giant ball. Ooh, there's the clown plush again. Remember last time? Let's not do that.
Remember last time when we both died because we're both idiotic?
No, I was doing a very smart... No, I was doing a smart thing. You were the idiot that decided to follow me for some reason.
Well, I assumed that you weren't going to get him to shoot his laser immediately.
He shoots his laser as soon as he sees you. I'm gonna prime the clown. Have you touched his nose at all?
No, I did not.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it twice. What did you?
We need like 27,000. So what are we at concurrently?
We're at 21.
Okay.
So we're pretty good. I mean, we're missing like 6K.
Here, you're almost dead. Hold on.
I'm at 20. I'm good. Did we check here? There could be stuff like on this. Sometimes the map value tracker doesn't update properly. Oh, the money. Right there.
Oh, didn't see that. That's good. Alright, I think we're good. You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Load her in.
Shove it in.
Shitty.
Oh.
Okay.
I listen. And now I have to watch videos.
There we go. Now, the
You-
shop should be fun.
You
The
Yeah.
shop should be fun. Because, again, modded.
Yeah. Fire.
Fire. Pocket card.
Remember, grab all the free food. Because we could just get money from it. That's free money.
Like bread.
Yeah. I forgot to turn off the Minecraft items in the shop. I don't know why they show up.
So it says 0, but yet it still counts it as currency in the cart. That's weird.
Yeah, that's because that's how much it's worth, like, as an item.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Is the big cart free as well?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say. That'll be worth it.
Cart.
Shove it in. Make it fit. Yes.
You don't even need that one. We have infinite stamina now.
Yeah, just don't worry about any of the yellow upgrades.
Oh, there's more over here.
Yeah.
Can I not access these ones?
You should be able to.
There we go. Just like break the glass? No. No, I think those are locked. I can't see them.
That's weird. I believe one of my friends had told me that if you get 5 map player counts, then you can actually see where people are on map. So I kind of want to try that. So I'm gonna do it.
Okay, do it.
I'm gonna grab this one. So we have 1. Okay, there's nothing there. Applied to. Grab the strength. It's not free, but it was 1k. Strength is really
For
useful.
some reason you can.
Yeah, I don't know why you can't. I'm trying to put this in here. Just stop moving it away.
I'm trying to get the card in the fucking extraction point.
Well, I'm putting stuff in it, so don't do that yet.
Oh, dude, the new software that I got has a 2-hour limit.
2 hours? Nice.
That's more than plenty. I think most of them actually recorded it in like a single run. It was like an hour and a half. And I think I ended up scrapping that because of audio issues.
That sucks. And then recharge drones. Good. I'll grab like these. Ooh,
They should come in handy.
the photon blaster. Oh yeah, grab the crystals. Oh, that's money. Money. There no indestructible drone? That sucks. Bro, get in. Get in, bro. Trying to shove it in. Just keep missing. Okay, yeah, there's no indestructible drones.
Hey, guess what? Secondary pocket card, also free.
I don't know if we need to. I'm not gonna use a pocket card.
Oh, I will. I'll use it.
Wait, why are you getting a phase bridge? Oh, not great.
Thumbnail.
I avoided it. Just like women, I avoided it. Hey, we both know that.
That was
That was
weird.
Yeah.
It's like I threw it. I almost hit you too. I would have laughed if I actually hit you with it.
Fire alarm was a little shit.
Little bastard.
Just going off every 2 seconds.
Yeah. These are recharges now.
Yeah. There was no fucking... what's it called? I forgot. Yeah, there's no indestructible drones, which sucks. Because those are really good. Yeah, I didn't get one. I didn't see a shotgun, so I was like, fuck it.
Yeah, honestly, regular handgun and the shotgun are the two best ones. Crossbow, kind of mid. Trank gun, useful.
Alright, I'm also gonna grab a couple of Minecraft items, because they're... money. Because it's money. It's money. I mean... It's literally... we didn't spend a dime on it.
We spent like $3 grand in total.
No.
We got all those upgrades and all that stuff for like $3 grand.
Yeah.
3,000.
And I think most of that money was just strength upgrades.
Literally.
So...
Oh, here's like jump stuff.
yeah.
Oh, and all the pocket cards too.
The pocket carts were there before.
Oh wait, 'cause I don't have the I don't have the thing where I can keep all my stuff in my pocket.
Look at that.
It's making me nauseous.
Alright, I say we both just take a cart and divide and conquer.
Oh yes, my favorite kind. Oh, already found a shit ton of uranium. Boss. Right, there's all those strength upgrades. You also found a giant cup?
Yeah.
Wow. There is so much radiation that if one of these things both be dead.
Yeah. Try and stack them.
No, I don't want to break them. No, yeah, I'd probably break them.
You would. I'm a professional.
Why don't you just push the button now?
No. Get as much as you can. That's the goal. Try and get as much as possible.
Let me go into this secret I have not discovered. A gumball machine. Oh. All eyes on me, I guess. Um, 31,000 plus the 15, so we only need like 15,000. I think that counts what's going on. If I remember correctly, but I really don't. Little fish. Fish, yeah. Oh, the ducks.
Yeah.
That's a big wiener. So I don't know where the other extraction point is. So yeah, these are...
This fucking prick. You know what? Come with me. Right over here. Why did you...
Yeah, you deal with him real quick. Will it affect him if I pick it up?
Shit. The trudge is here. Yeah, I'm trying to get him to kill a duck. I don't think he can unless he hits the duck head on.
There's probably a way to do it. Aw. Everybody's killed. Okay, so I've got 14,000. You've got 5,000.
Yeah. I was getting bullied by the fucking trudge.
Yeah, you were. Did he
And
kill
and the duck. No, he didn't kill the duck. I tried to get him to kill the duck, but the duck ran away. So.
I literally just went in a giant circle for no reason.
Yeah. There's nothing down here. No. It's the extraction. So. Be careful. Okay, I think the trudge just despawned.
Get stuck.
Get sucked?
I said get stuck, not get sucked.
Get sucked?
We're only missing $4,000. We can find our way back.
Yeah.
I guess you take one of the cards. Money in it. That one.
Yeah. Alright.
That's cool, actually. You didn't die on the way here, did you?
What happened?
Okay, I was making sure you didn't die on the way here.
Nah, I found some almost immediately that you missed. We're missing 4K. That's fine.
Yeah, we're only 30, 35. 30. Let's go. Let's go.
I was trying to get up there, you got in my way.
Need the trank gun. Yeah. Now it's gonna take like 5 minutes to load.
Nah, it's here, bro. See, I knew it. Ye with little faith. Bro. Strength, how many do we have? 7s, 8s. 9. 10.
Oh. A laser for the cart.
Oh, that.
Or the cart cannon. That seems more fun.
Alright, so we have 11 strength now.
Okay, now?
We have 11 strength. Why did you do that?
Oh, God.
It's not funny when we're still fucking shopping, because now everything is everywhere. It'd be impossible to find everything.
Guess what? Here's your indestructible drone. Where is the door? Oh, you please. I'm in the hole now. Hey, the duck bucket is free. Hey,
Yeah?
want some head power?
Is it free?
Yeah, you want some head power? Look at it.
Yeah,
Alright,
It's the Death Head Hopper.
and a grenade. And, okay, grenades too.
Do you seriously have to explode everything, bro?
I did not try to just explode everything, I just tried to explode the one thing. The duck bucket does not want to stay up there. Okay. I did not mean to explode everything. Okay? Despite my repeated behavior.
yeah. You're not a learner.
No, not in this list.
Okay. 3, so we do need one more.
Wait, this one is 2. This one is 2. This one's 3. Lots of free upgrades here.
Yeah. Oh, are you putting them all in the duck bucket?
The duck bucket, yeah, I don't want to carry them all down there.
That's why I usually try and grab like a pocket cart. Alright, the rest of them cost money.
Yeah.
Just make sure the bucket doesn't tip.
Open the door.
I got this.
Okay.
Now there's no door.
I mean, yeah, there's no door.
Drop off the upgrades.
I'll grab them, and I'll put them in. Or I'll just throw it halfway.
Way across the shop, sure.
Okay. No! Oh my god. Eli! You fucking...
Moron! Everything flew out of the thing!
Oh. I dropped it over here, so.
Yeah, that was the duct tape grenade. It explodes and it spreads grenades around.
I thought it was the regular one.
Yeah. All of them were. What do you mean that one? All of them were. No, there's no that one in particular. It was all. I blew one grenade up and that was beneficial.
So what do we do it, it's beneficial. When I do it.
Yes, it is! I did it so that there was no door to get in our way. Every time you did it, it was just to cause chaos.
That's the fun part. Oh, why live life boring? Especially when playing repo.
This is annoying, though. Not fun.
Good thing there's 2 of us.
Red.
No, that's...
Let's...
That's all grenades and stuff. I think that's everything we had.
There's a couple things in here, I just want to be sure.
That's not what I wanted to do.
One of the head power upgrades got to the back of the fucking truck.
Nice.
Alright, we are not getting the duck bucket.
Free.
Yeah, but it's useless.
Capture the bastard as a duck. Alright, that should
It's pretty easy to get rid of the duck.
Alright, that should be
And another free recharge. Oh yeah, we do need to actually buy something. Forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
We'll get a health, I guess. That works.
You missed a range upgrade. Missed a range upgrade. Are you gambling?
Huh?
I always know where I can find you.
Yep, gambling. Can always find me.
One of them was free. Come on, master, start. Oh, that wasn't supposed to fall. Alright, we'll probably do like one more level.
One more.
It's like
What?
2 o'clock in the morning later. One more.
Yeah. Well, it's only 11 right now. No? Just keep fucking knocking you over.
We get the Minecraft one. I like the Minecraft one.
Do what now?
Hope we get the Minecraft map.
Yay! We did it. Ow! I knocked myself out with the upgrade. Alright. Oh yeah, do we want to show the cool thing back here? Remember? As a child, I yearned for the mine. Behind you, it's just a wall.
Yeah, it's just a wall.
Ow. Alright, let's go.
Go. Where did you go?
I went like 20 feet into the sky and I fell down in front of the truck. I went straight up, basically. I mean, there was nothing. There was no other...
How strong is your jump strength?
that's my launch. 4. It's 4 launch and I just went flying.
I'm gonna guess these are... The child. Watch out, the child.
What are you yapping about?
The child. The thief. Small thief.
Oh, well, I found something a little different, I would say.
Hold him still. Nice. Not again.
You just jumped. Duck. Pick him up, try and pick him up. Up, down, up, down, up, up.
Well, that
Yeah, I think he knows I was there. Where'd your gun go?
I died with it. Can't even hear me. Nope, no, I died with it.
I got you, bro. Don't even sweat. Now let's bring you back to life.
Yes. Oh, no. That'd be extra.
Not yet.
What do you mean not yet?
Bro, get in. What are you doing up there? I don't know.
Okay. Let's have a blast, I guess.
Yeah. So I killed him. Did you not bring your cart?
No?
Here's your recharge drone as well. And go grab your cart. I didn't even look. What the hell? It's crazy. Nothing else. Looks like I got everything. I got everything up here. There's just a plate.
Plate, that's it.
Yep.
Singular plate.
There's a plate in the chest.
Yeah, it has one. It's usually over now. What do we need? What's the total here? 65,000. We probably only get like half of that. We lose 12 of it each round, so we probably only get like 40 back. No, we double this time. Find anything?
I found the clown plush.
I found a clock. Gone fishing.
Eli.
Yes, I'm coming, dude.
So there's an extraction right there. We're gonna need it. Look there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I'll what's yours at?
14k. Almost 15.
Just gonna plop this. Just gonna plop that.
Alright.
I'll look for smaller stuff around here. But then she probably already found it all, so
Oh.
this is worth 29, so I love the attention to detail on this map. I love this. Most chests. Do you have stuff in them? Yeah, can I like lift this on my? I can lift this.
That myself.
Finally, you're back.
Yeah, you missed a couple items in there.
Did you extract it?
No, I didn't extract yet. I'm going to take this now.
Oh. Okay.
Actually, where are you? Up there?
Try and get this down.
Take my... Here. Take my cart to the extraction. I'll take this.
Okay. It's easier to pull the cart.
Why'd you start it?
You said to start it. You said to start it.
No, I said take it there, and then I would grab this and bring it.
Well, we have the other one. I'll get to it.
Oh, now I gotta take...
Why don't I just want to take it back to the first For a second, I thought you were the trudge, though.
Yeah.
'Cause I saw a big red thing. I don't know why you were red. I thought you were the trudge.
What the fuck?
Well, that basically covers that.
Basically, we're missing we're missing over 10K.
Yeah, we should be fine. We'll be fine. There's probably a bunch in this room we're missing.
Oh, you know what? There might be stuff down here, actually, yeah. Yeah, there's a stake in here.
That's worth $14,000.
No, but it's still worth some money. Oh, you know what? It might be bugged because of the...
Because of the what?
No, that wouldn't be it. We'll just start it.
Oh, you found a shorter way?
Ugh. Yeah. Yep. I joked him out. Pickles.
Alright. Say cheese.